Good morning guys and welcome sa another unboxing with me. And today, bubuksan natin tong mga blind boxes na nabili ko sa Miniso and we have 4. Buksan na natin. Ngayon na natin buksan tong Sanrio characters from Miniso and it's called Fantasy Paradise. Meron silang 8 regular designs and I guess wala silang secret. Ang gusto kong makuha dito si Pochako. Actually, lahat tong blind box na to, si Pochako lang yung gusto kong makuha. Si Pochako lang yung gusto kong makuha. Ang sabi dito sa box, lahat ng character nila is flock and true enough, it's flock. Pero who? Si Cinnamoroll! Oh, yung cute! Look, it's the unicorn! Naka-flock nga kasi yung parang pinaka-unicorn suit nila is flock, pero yung pinaka-character is a matte finish. Next! So, next box is from Miniso ulit and it's called Sanrio Characters. It has 8 regular designs and 1 secret. Ang gusto ko, obviously, si Pochako. Is the rocking horse. Sana si Pochako. Please be Pochako. Pochako. Ah! What the fuck is this? Oh, sorry. Pompurin. It's cute but I don't like it. Pero natuwa ako dun sa rocking horse niya. Mas gusto ko pa yung rocking horse. Ah, ito. And then my name ng character. Ito siya. So ilalagay mo siya dito para hindi siya mahulog. Tadam! Next. I'm hoping to get Pochako. Okay. So how do I open this? Grabe naman, parang sira ba? Ang dami masyadong parts akong naririnig. Aha. Kailangan mo buuin yung car, I guess. Oh, I got Kurumi. I don't really like Kurumi. And then you have to... And then this one. Ang dami niya masyadong parts. I don't like it. I don't like it. Ang dami niya masyadong parts. But I got Kurumi, but I don't... tingin ko mamaya ko na lang sa bubuin, but no. Okay. Last box. Please give me Pochako kasi guys, look, oh, ito yung kay Pochako. Steampunk series ng Sanrio characters and I really want Pochako. Look, he's the coolest one there. Let's open it. It's really big. And it's a bit heavy. Please take Pochako! I want Pochako. Oh! This is the one I don't like. Oh, ang dami niyang props. So, ito yung main. Oh my god, ang dami niyang props. Saan kayo sasakay? Oh. Oh. It's a pullback toy. This one. Yung Steampunk series. Oh, lang I want Pochako more. But I'm kind of sad na wala akong Pochako.